Hey, what's up everyone, this is Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to review the F&D E200 mini soundbar in this video. Before starting the video, please do subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and do let me know in the comment section how is the video. So let's begin. Here is the package. You can see the branding, the model number and all specifications printed on the box. The packaging is really good. Now let's check it out. The speaker is too beautiful. The model name is E200. It is a portable laptop / desktop speaker. It doesn't have a built-in battery or Bluetooth and no memory card slot. The power output is 3 watts. You can plug the USB cord to your laptop or desktop's USB port and power it up. You can also use your phone's USB charger to power the speaker, like what I am doing right now in this video. The black color of the mini soundbar looks so cool and feels premium even though the body is plastic. You're also getting a headphone jack and a sound controller on the side. The sound control knob also has this red LED light on the edge. This gives a cool vibe while listening to music. You have to plug the 3.5mm audio jack into your laptop's or desktop's audio port to play music. You can also plug this into your phone's audio jack. It also works with television, so if your TV has a 3.5mm audio jack, you can attach the speaker to your TV and play songs or watch movies. It is a stereo speaker, so you can expect great music quality. The driver size is 2" and the other features of this mini soundbar are as follows. 2 inches full range driver, front passive radiator design for springy bass, red LED ring indicator light, 5V external adapter and headphone jack for private listening. I bought this speaker 4 months ago and it is working absolutely fine without any single defect or drop in sound quality. The price is around 950 rupees in India, and according to me it is the best mini speaker you can get under 1000 rupees. Yes, it is cheap, but the sound quality is really awesome. The mini soundbar produces a clear and crisp sound with a lovely bass. I can't complain about the design. It gives a premium look and it looks top notch. I am genuinely satisfied with the sound quality and the bass produced by the F&D E200 mini soundbar. It is a small soundbar, roughly 2 feet across, so do not expect the same decibels as a 2.1 speaker set. But it is loud enough for everyone in the same room to get good music and feel a decent amount of bass. Again, you will not get hard thumping bass because it is cheaper and it is not from JBL or Boat. If you compare this speaker with speakers from JBL or Boat, obviously those speakers will produce rich sound with high bass, but the price will increase. So according to me, under 1000 rupees, the E200 by F&D is a great speaker with great sound quality and bass. This is the best soundbar you can have to play music with laptop, or if you are using in closed room or in a house party. Here are some audio samples. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If yes, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to Bro Smart for more interesting videos just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is Bro Smart and I will see you guys in my next video.